Hello friends, myself Pradeep Palkar working as a assistant professor in the Department of Instrumentation Engineering. So in this video we have to discuss development of stages of project. Already part 1 completed. Now in this video we have to discuss about the kickoff meeting. Okay. So what is a kickoff meeting? This what is the meaning of kickoff meeting? A kickoff meeting is the first formal meeting conducting after the project approval and before actual project execution begins. It officially launches the project and aligns all stakeholders toward the common objective. Okay. See here, the project goals, objective, and scope ensure the every in that. Now, what are the objective, communication, project goals, and scope? Introduce the project team and stakeholders in the kickoff meeting. Third objective is clarity, roles, and responsibility in kickoff meeting. Fourth objective, explain the schedule, budget, and milestone. Establish communication and reporting procedure and identify the initial risk and contents and difficulties. That is the meaning of kickoff meeting, the first formal meeting. Allow the team member to introduce themselves and their roles to foster a sense of camaraderie. Timeline and milestone outline the project timeline, key milestone, expected deliverables to set clear the expectation. Now the communication plan. Establish the communication channel, protocol to ensure the effective information flow throughout the project. Who is participate in the kickoff meeting? The project sponsor, project manager, project team member, functional manager, client or customer representative or vendor also or contractor also if they are the part. Okay. What are the agenda of kickoff meeting? Why need the kickoff meeting? The project overview and objective. Clear that. Scope definition and project schedule, milestone, budget overview. What are the roles of each team member? Communication plan, risk identification, and question answer session between that. That is the agenda of kickoff meeting. The question arising, why important of kickoff meeting? Build team alignment and commitment. Reduce the misunderstanding. Sets clear expectation. Improve the coordination and marks formal start of the project. That is the first meeting of formal project start. Now we have to discuss about the work packages. See here the define the task and work packages. They break down the project into a smaller manageable task which clearly deliverable and deadlines. Assign the resources. See here the task estimating task. Okay. Thank you.